Well, as you know, there was a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in Haiti, and the entire southern peninsula, and that's not exaggerating, got impacted severely. So to those who lost property, lives, loved ones, I want you to know that the Georgia Haitian American Chamber of Commerce, its board, and all of its members are with you. You are in our thoughts and prayers, whatever town you're from. And if you're here in the diaspora, our thoughts and prayers are with you as well. So keep up the good work. Ronald and I are here to have this conversation with you, to let you know what the Georgia Haitian American Chamber of Commerce is doing.
The earthquake was something that really was one single event that exacerbated a lot of things that was actually happening in Haiti for the past year, actually the past couple of years. And so one of the things we decided to focus on is what we do best, and that is empower entrepreneurs that are in Haiti. For those of you who don't know, we have the Bell Initiative program, and through that program, we empower entrepreneurs, we educate them, and we connect them to resources. And a lot of the work that has been done already as far as entrepreneurship in Haiti and empowering and creating the ecosystem, we don't want that to be destroyed by an earthquake or natural disasters. And when you look at the events that's happened before that, such as the assassination of the president, the riots, the lockdown of the country, the violence, the kidnapping, these things also have been, including the pandemic, has also made things a little bit or a lot harder for the entrepreneurs. And so we've decided that we want to go ahead and create a Haiti relief stimulus package.
Folks, that is what the Georgia Haitian American Chamber of Commerce is doing. It's called the Haiti Earthquake Stimulus Package for Entrepreneurs. And that's exactly what it is. We are restocking, retooling, and assisting entrepreneurs in Haiti to reboot their enterprises. Ronald and the Bell Initiative team has worked tirelessly to make this miracle happen. And so we don't want that miracle to just fizzle away as a result of the earthquake.
No, I think this stimulus package will keep things going. And it's also it's forcing us to actually think long term at the same time. And so as the entrepreneurs are rebooting themselves, the other component that we want to add to this is having that crisis management program that we want to create and teaching the entrepreneurs to structure their businesses to handle those things we know are inevitable in Haiti at this point, right? We know that there's hurricanes that are probably going to happen in the region. Now we know that earthquakes are a big issue with that big fault line that we've discovered over the past couple of years. And we know that there might be some political instability until we have a solid democracy in place. So we want to make sure that entrepreneurs are thinking to structure themselves in a way where they can combat that and be prepared for any of these instances that happen in the future, because they are the backbone of Haiti. They are the ones creating the job, and we want to make sure that they're taken care of after all of this is over, as far as what people are thinking about is with the earthquake in front of their minds.
So we're inviting you to band forces with us and give to the Haiti Earthquake Stimulus Relief Package for Entrepreneurs. And when you do that, we'll be doing 4 things. 1, we'll be buying inventory to restock businesses that have been impacted. 2, we'll be retooling entrepreneurs' businesses, buying machinery and tools that are essential to running the business. 3, we'll be replacing lost revenue in those businesses. And last but not least, we'll put together programs to equip them with the ability to manage risk and manage crises that certainly will come. And when those crises come, what we're ensuring with the stimulus package is that the businesses that are here now stay alive, they stay afloat. So we thank you in advance for your participation, and I'm thinking this is going to be the biggest thing for the Haiti entrepreneurs and for Haiti, because what does happen is that the entrepreneurs who benefit from this end up benefiting those who are impacted by the earthquake as well.
Right. You're absolutely correct. They're the ones that are putting people back to work. They're the ones that are able to feed the people. They're the ones that are able to actually now give back to their community because they're in the position to do so. They have institutions that's stable, that can now continue to operate in a way that's impacting the community.
Perfect.
So absolutely.
Perfect. Perfect.